Hey, Nadine here, and today we're going to talk air fryers. The Ninja Premier French door air fryer and the Cosori stainless steel iconic air fryer. So here they are sitting side by side, and no worries, you're going to see the food in them at the end of the video. But I wanted to talk about the advantages in each one of them and the disadvantages. So you can see that the Ninja French door oven is a larger air fryer and can do a ton of things. And then you can see the Cosori stainless steel iconic air fryer next to it. Let's open it up and take a look on the inside. Now, I've been using this for about 6 months and comes with a bunch of trays in it. Can do 10 different things like air fry, roast, whole roast, bake, pizza, broil, reheat, dehydrate, toast, and bagel. So everything that you need to do, you can do with it. Now, this one here is all stainless steel from the inside too, which is great that it doesn't have any of the PFAS or any kind of forever material. One thing about any kind of countertop oven, and including the Ninja, is that they are stainless steel from the inside, so they are harder to maintain. So make sure that as soon as you're done, you do clean it, because all oils kind of stick on there and become very difficult to take off. As for using it for size, I do like the fact that it can hold a 12x9 pan, so I can actually do a lot of casseroles. Unless I need a larger pan than one that would fit in there, I tend to gravitate to use my air fryer in here rather than my regular oven. It's automatic and has the preheat settings. Now, you do need to set them up, sometimes change them to what you want, but they do work great. And then next to it is the Cosori Iconic, which I have been using for a few weeks now and love the fact that it is PFAS free. It has the ceramic lining on the inside so that it is non-stick without any Teflon in there, so it is easy cleanup. While you can use liners in there, you don't need to, because it really does wipe away clean easily. But if you want to keep the bottom clean, you can just use a liner under it if you want to keep the air flow going. Don't be too harsh in wiping it down, because it is easy to wipe down. If you're too harsh on it, it's going to start to scratch, and then that's just not going to be good. The pull-out drawer air fryers are usually smaller and just take up less space, so great for counter space. And this one, being all stainless steel, does give it this higher end look. It is a higher end machine. It's going to look great on your counter, as well as from what I saw, it does work great as well. The drawer does have a 6.5 quart capacity, which it sits about 10 by 10 inches. Depending how much food you're trying to make, you can actually split this into two without doing anything in the middle. Sometimes I'll just put the chicken on one side and the fries on the other side, and they come out great. So with the air fryer, you can actually also do anything you need to with this, including air fry, roast, bake, even dehydrate fruit, and reheat your food. So it works great. It has a button on there that you can press the shake button, and it's going to remind you midway to actually shake the food so you can flip it over. Made several things in both the French door oven as well as the Iconic. We've made French fries, chicken nuggets, wings, and even croissants, and found that actually, if you cook it in the Iconic, it's going to take about 5 minutes less to cook the food. Did put it on both at the same temperature and cooked them both in there at several times, because frankly my electricity doesn't connect them both at the same time. One thing I also love about the Iconic is how the way the French fries come out in it. Like other air fryers, I found that the French fries cook very well as long as you get the right potato in there, just a little bit of oil and salt, and you're gonna get French fries as though they were deep fried. I do still use both of them and do love both of them, and each one I feel like has a different effect and need for. I have switched to making the chicken nuggets for my son as well as the French fries to the Cosori Iconic. Do still use the Ninja French door oven for things when I need to make a small casserole and put it in there to cook, as well as if I'm doing anything on a tortilla or any kind of flatbread. I have a tendency to go to that one because I can see what's going on in there and can do a larger part for family members. So really, it does go down to what your needs are, which one you're gonna go with. It also depends how much counter space you want to use up on that. That also takes into effect depending on the size of your kitchen. I hope this helped you make a choice between the two. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please give us a like and a share. And don't forget to subscribe.